Her dinner routine hasn't changed, but where Dr. Layla Zahedi Spung's family eats has.
Thankfully, we were buying a house right when the housing market kind of took a slump here.
They've moved before, from undergrad to med school, where Dr. Spung learned to provide abortions and help women with high-risk pregnancies.
To this day, delivering babies is the coolest thing I do.
But the move to Colorado was her hardest.
But I pulled my children out of school. I told them we were moving because I couldn't do my job. I had to say goodbye to people that I really care about, including patients.
Spung had bought a dream home in Chattanooga along the Tennessee River.
I knew that that's where I would be happiest. I also knew it was a place where my skills that I had built over my 7 years of training, especially abortion care provision, would be used and needed.
But when the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, a Tennessee law made the care she provided illegal and forced her to send patients away or risk a felony charge.
I couldn't do it. I couldn't put myself at risk like that. I couldn't put my family at risk like that. It just wasn't worth it, unfortunately.
She took a job providing care in Colorado late last year.
So now there's no one there. And that causes a lot of guilt.
Guilt for the home and for the people she left behind.
Thankfully, my family is so supportive. And so home is wherever I'm with them. But it's been hard on everybody. But we're glad to be here.
She says she knows she is not the only doctor to leave Tennessee, and she's grateful Colorado's advancing laws to protect women who seek abortion care here, but she says she's still heartbroken for the patients she left behind.
We've heard about this in some of the other states that have been more restrictive on abortion care, where doctors are saying it's too big of a risk for me to stay in practice here, I have to leave too. Then there's this vacuum where there aren't providers for the patients in those states.
And she talked about training, too. Half of OBGYN students, she says, are in states where Roe versus Wade and resulting laws made training difficult and hard. And how do you keep folks there when she says there's a legal aspect of it that could mean the care they provide ends them up in jail?
That's an interesting point. Future doctors and their training. Interesting. Cole, thank you.